Super Kids TV. Colors and flavors, a rainbow so grand. Let's explore together hand in hand. Chocolate ice cream scoop. Wow, yummy. Its color is brown. Mint ice cream. Yummy. Its color is green. Strawberry ice cream. Its color is pink. Wow, yummy. Blueberry ice cream. Its color is blue. Wow, I like it. Sweet potato ice cream. Wow, its color is purple. Raspberry ice cream. Its color is red. Yummy. Wow. Next come popsicles. White popsicle, purple popsicle, red popsicle, brown popsicle, green popsicle, yellow popsicle. Ice cream bars, pink, brown and red ice cream bars. Wow. Which ice cream do you like the most? Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.